Here at Lush Dental Co., we're all about aesthetics, cosmetics, and innovative technology. And with that, we provide a lot of different aesthetic treatments, but we're feeling like we were missing just a special something.
Along with our Botox and filler, we felt like the Opus Plasma would just really round us out as an office and give a little bit deeper and wider results that some of our other treatments couldn't, that some people felt like they wanted.
The Opus Plasma is an innovative radiofrequency technology using plasma for skin resurfacing.
It's great for a lot of things, but it especially targets those areas, your fine lines, general skin tone, acne scarring, and just any wrinkle that you think is a little bit more there than you'd like it to be. Everybody is a great candidate for it. Everybody from in their 20s to their 80s, 90s, and plus.
The plasma gives astonishing results. It can remove fine lines and wrinkles, help improve the appearance of scars, can actually tighten the skin, and the overall appearance and texture of the skin can improve.
It does so by helping your own body create elastin and collagen, and that works by making little tiny injuries to the skin while leaving a lot of healthy skin behind. And that healthy skin rushes the area and helps fill in those scarring and wrinkles, and it leaves you with a healthier, younger looking you.
A glow up, you can say.
Exactly.
When you come in for a treatment, it actually starts with a consultation. And during that consultation, we discuss with the doctors what you are actually looking for in terms of results. And from that discussion, we can guide you on what kind of treatments you need in order to get the results you desire.
And some of that will come into how many treatments are right for you. Some people will get what they want in one visit. Other people might need 3 or 4 visits, just depending on what you're looking for.
When you come in for your plasma experience, the first 30 minutes are spent in the chair with a numbing cream on the areas that we're going to treat.
The treatment itself is about 30 more minutes, and so you're looking at about an hour of chair time.
Downtime varies depending on the session that we provided that day. In general, people experience around 24 to 48 hours of mild to moderate redness and swelling.
Like all skin resurfacing technology, you can expect to have a little bit of discomfort when you leave with us. Patients often report it feeling kind of like a sunburn for a couple of days.
We see our patients every 6 months. We know their faces, we know their wants and their needs, and we feel that coming here for a well-rounded treatment, including dental and all aesthetics, really complements what we do. We're super excited about it, and we can't wait for you guys to come in and try it.
I'm Dr. Ashley.
And I'm Dr. Sean.
And we are sister-in-laws who married twin brothers and are both dentists.
Yes, so we are both Dr. Deering. We go by our first names to help, cut the confusion.
So we both met at Utah Valley University. We were going as students in our undergraduate degree there, and I was in my organic chemistry class, went there a little bit early, no one else was there. I was sitting on a row all by myself in an empty classroom, and this girl came out of nowhere and sat right next to me.
What she doesn't know is that I did that very intentionally, and I had seen her the day before. So the story goes back even further. When me and my husband got married, my husband is Sam, and my brother-in-law Steve was, a twin, left to fend for himself for the first time ever. And I said, Steve, I'll find you a wife and me a sister-in-law. And I was in my science classes, so there wasn't a ton of other girls, but I saw this really pretty girl walking out of physics, and I was walking in, and I never thought I'd see her again. And then the next day I had organic chemistry, and I saw you, and I sat right next to her.
And she was bugging me pretty much the whole time during class saying, did you hear what the professor just said? Did you get that? What did you have in your notes? And then after class, she said, okay, let's be study buddies. Do you want to be study buddies? And in my mind, I was thinking, who is this weirdo who will not leave me alone? She's really aggressive, trying to just study with me, but I didn't say no, so we studied together.
And the whole time I was, vetting her a little bit, seeing if she'd be a good fit for my brother-in-law, and she was a perfect fit. And so whenever I could, I would sneak things in and say like, yeah, my brother-in-law is so smart, he's so nice, he's so great.
And then we did that for about a year, and I was dating someone else at the time, dating other people, and then finally I wasn't dating anyone, and Dr. Sean pounced.
Yes, I waited about 2 weeks, and I said, hey, can I give my brother-in-law your phone number? And she said, sure.
And then we went on a blind date, and 6 months later, after that blind date, we ended up getting married, and we became sisters-in-law.
I had just applied to dental school, and she was about to. We went to different schools, but all through our schooling, we kind of talked about what visions we had for our future and what kind of things we were looking for in our future, and we just sort of happened to have had a shared vision. There's so many wonderful offices out there, but we had something a little bit more specific in mind. We wanted something really beautiful and calming and kind of spa-like, and we really feel like we created that here.
Our motto here at Lush Dental is look good, feel good, do good, and we really try and live by that. We want you to come in our office and look your best, feel your best, so you can go out and do your best.
Every decision that we make has the patient in mind, and we think that when we meet you, we can, share that with you, and we think that you'll really feel that.
We've really designed this practice for you, and we just are so excited to have you come.
Swiss plasma is an innovative radiofrequency skin resurfacing technology using plasma.
Ashley, I'm so sorry. You have to do that again. My eyes were reading our sign, and so my eyes were like crazy.
Get the chits. I won't say it. I feel like we flow that way better.
We just flow that way better.
I always start the story and you finish it.
Yes.
Okay.
Unless it's our story, then I start that one.
That was so stupid. A glow up, I presume?
Totally. Totally.
Totally.
Cut
Yes. We're on cannabis right now. I forgot I was supposed to speak. Man, my brain is gone.
Apply a lot of blah 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 blah.
And it will blah 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 to you.
Okay.
I could never be an actor. Feel like you have the first 3 hours of the day and then I'm trash.
I feel like that's what I need though sometimes is like a, you know?
Yeah, let's go.
Or,
My tongue doesn't even work. Okay.
you don't know what chair time is.
That was great.
Yeah, I'll make it sound more Ashley. I shouldn't have said it that last time, but it was like coming out. Like, there it goes.
Okay. Crushed it.
That was awesome.
Is that okay?
That was crushed.
Okay, good. It's only 3:45. I could go to bed right now. Let me tell you how it felt. It felt like getting prodded by a cattle prod and intense heat. Don't worry, it'll make you look really great. We'll tie you down in the chair so that you cannot move, and we will muffle your screams with our hand.
I know, that's why I feel like I can't answer this one.
We should have answered it before we got treatment. Oh man, I got the giggles. My arm. Sorry.
You can't say this with like a fake smile because then they'll know.
It feels great. It doesn't hurt one bit.
I can't. I just feel like I'm on the verge of laughing. I'm limiting myself to 2 tries.
Okay.
I can tell you what to say.
Okay, tell me what to say.
Like all other skin resurfacing technology, you can expect some discomfort after your treatment.
Sorry, I shouldn't have looked at you.
I missed the look.
At Lush Dental Co., you know that we're not trash.
No, you guys are still doing really well. It's
We're
just
not
taking-
trash.
It's just taking a little.
I don't know where that
I'm
came
so
from.
proud of
I
you.
don't even know what I just said. We're gonna have some great
I'm
bloopers.
sorry.
Yeah, we gotta
just
put some of these
stand here.
bloopers on somewhere.